mega Kolbenfresser oder sowas. Okay.
Today I got paid, it must be a good day. I went out on a date, it must be a good day. I drank too much, but in a good way. Then I got laid, it must be a good day. I've been vibing through the highs, hey. I've been rolling through the lows, hey. I've been vibing through the highs, hey. I've been rolling through the lows, rolling through the lows. Yo, truth be told, fuck these other rappers. I do they verses better than them if I did them backwards. Forget the Grammys, I need Oscars, y'all clever actors. Someone go and grab the herb, I'll go get the backwoods. I've been looking in this mirror and my smile is on, cause I am bigger than this mountain I am climbing on. Without a safety net, I feel like this where I belong, and not inside a paddy wagon staring out the window on a ride along. That's where I be when truancy would come and pick me up. The school was boring, man, all we did was skip and cut. No father figure to whoop a nigga when the shit got tough. I had $100 feeling like no one as rich as us. So even then we were seeing stars and dreaming about the day we drive them European cars. I guess it helped us forget the fact that we were scarred. You got your days, well these are ours. Today I got paid, must be a good day. I went out on a date, must be a good day. I drank too much, but in a good way. Then I got laid, must be a good day. I've been vibing through the highs, I've been rolling through the lows, I've been vibing through the highs, I've been rolling through the lows, rolling through the lows. Yo, truth be told, fuck these politicians. From now on, consider me they toughest opposition. You were never there when we ain't have a pot to piss in. Now I'm young, black and rich and playing my position. Shit, but money ain't the reason that my day is good, cause nothing makes me feel better than these prayers could. A lot of people never make it from my neighborhood, so if they hate, then let them hate just like a hater should. I got the wind in my back and the world in my palm. I keep that gun in my waist and that's word to my mom, and that's there just in case someone wanna do harm. Cause these days, someone to take a sun and make it a storm. And if you ain't got the backwoods, then pass me a bomb, cause right now we celebrating.
Nein! Shit! Eichhörnchen! Eichhörnchen! Kim und ich waren mal ein Paar. Dirk! Wir sind in Kevins Mama drin. Oh. Das ist eine Pampe hier. Ey, Mono! Ja, voll. Das ist das zweimal. Die Sau. Oh, 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 Junge. Hier. Oh. Junge! Die Schnappe. Oh, da ist Digga. Oh, nein, oh mein Gott. Oh mein Gott, Junge! Wow! How to fuck up your motorcycle in 2 days. Oh, ich habe roten Gürtel. Die Bullen. Das wird in der Hüfte so hart rattern, Alter. Bremst, das geht nicht. Ja. Oh, ich bin gerade gefühlt gestorben, Alter. Alter, ja. Ich hab mich so nach hinten gezogen, Alter. Das hätte ich ja nicht gedacht, ey. Ja, fuck.